right? The CN freight train's finally starting to move. Before there was a via Siemens Venture train. Back to the airport. So I think before this video, the CN train has to stop because to make way for the via train. Yeah, that's why. The video before this. The train is going slow now because on the same track that this train is going, the via train that I was filming before, it's ahead of it, so it needs to go slow. Then yeah, it's gonna go in the shade. It's gonna get faster now. Now I think the speed on the CN train is it's gaining speed a little bit. That's why it's going a little bit faster. We're transporting metal, mineral. Yeah. Fine, let's go over there. All the way down there. There's still in one angle. Stop holding my camera. And guys, I'm telling you something now. So when you're filming a train, don't go too close to the train, or don't even stand too close to the train, because you never know that it could spread fire. A train could sometimes even call it spread fire, but I never saw that. But it's not safe, you know. Just stay back of the yellow line, for instance. That's safer. Oh man, but a very lucky day today. Very lucky day. A very long train, this is. Very long. It might take like 10 minutes of this video. Well, I think I could even see the end of the train. Oh, okay. Seems like it's slowing down. So vandalism on the train. Vandalism on the train car. I don't like that. That looks so ugly. The vandalism. Not so nice. Oh, okay, yeah. I guess it's a bit shorter than I thought. Okay. that? What is that loud noise? We're like almost at the end of the train. A very long train, I should say. It's 7 minutes into my video. So guys, if you want to see more videos, please, or if you want to go check out more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. I make the best videos that you would like music. I even made like music shorts on my channel, so yeah. Alright, almost to the end of the train car, so yeah, end of the train car, you see it, very close to it, yeah. CN, the CN train, and I think like 3 months ago actually, I was back at the same spot, but I was filming a train that was coming from Ottawa to Quebec City, and a CP train going on the other side. Yeah, that's the CP tracks over there. This is the CN. So yeah. Alright guys, this is it for now. Make another video when the VR train that's gonna be coming from Montreal to Toronto. Next up. Yeah, he's gonna continue down there.